I have a iPhone 12 here. I'm going to show you two ways that you can take a screenshot, and I'm also going to show you how to take a screenshot of an entire web page. So the first way to take a screenshot is if you press the volume up button and the power button. Just tap them both at the same time. Like, ready, go. Ready, go. All the screenshots get saved directly into your Photos gallery, your Photos app. So just tap on that. And then once you tap on that, just go ahead and tap on Albums. And then once you tap on Albums, you want to scroll down. Just scroll down, and then you'll see Screenshots. So tap on Screenshots, and you can see all the screenshots in here. Okay, here's that last two that I took down here on the bottom. Now the second way to take a screenshot is you can actually double tap the back, or you can triple tap the back. Okay, but you have to enable that. So let's go ahead and enable that first. So just go into your settings. Then from here, you want to scroll down and you want to look for accessibility right here. So tap on that. And then you want to tap on touch. Tap on touch. Now go to the very bottom here and you're going to see back tap. Tap on that. Now you have a choice, okay? You can do double tap or triple tap. Okay, I have them both on screenshots, but for double tap, just tap that and then look for screenshots. Of course, you have many other options on here as well. So I have screenshot there, and the same thing with triple tap. Okay, you can pick something else. You don't have to have screenshots on there. Anyways, I have them both on double tap, or both on double tap and triple tap for screenshots. So if I double tap, it takes a screenshot. If I triple tap, it'll take a screenshot as well. Now let me show you how to take a screenshot of like an entire web page or even like part of it. Okay, so let's go to Safari here, and let's say I'm looking at this and oh wow, I want to go ahead and send somebody a screenshot of all this right here. So what I'll do from here is I'll go ahead and take a screenshot. I can do it from here, or I can do the double tap. I'll just do the double tap. Double tap. Now this here pops up. Go ahead and tap on that, and then from here, I mean, of course you can edit and all that stuff too before you save it, but if we tap on full page here, now if I go ahead and save this right now, it's going to go ahead and save that entire web page. Or I can do this. I can go ahead and tap on crop, and let's say I only want like part of it, like up to here to like right there, and then I can go ahead and click on done. Then I'll click on done up here. Now take note, if you look down here, it says, it doesn't say, it's not going to save to your Photos gallery. It says save PDF to files. So if I save this half of this web page to save PDF files, if I tap on that, now I can save it to on my iPhone, on this iPhone here, or I can even put it to my iCloud up here. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and save it to this iPhone here, so I can tap right here, and I can also make a new folder here if I wish to put all of your other screenshot PDFs in there. And you also have the option by default. It gave me this screenshot name Apple. You can go ahead and rename that. I'll just click on done, and I'll click save, and it's going to save onto my iPhone, of this iPhone. So I'll click on save. Now if you want to view that PDF, you don't go into Photos gallery. What you have to do is you have to find your files. Okay, so your files app right there. So tap on that, and I saved mine to my iPhone, right? So I'll tap on my iPhone, and then here is basically half of that web page right there. Pretty simple.